Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to create a responder email. The main function of a responder email is to send an email to the user that just submitted the form. For example, a few common use cases could be a next step email containing a PDF attachment with more information, a follow-up email concerning the reason they submitted your form, and you get the idea. As we go along in the process, I can explain more. So first, let's start off in one of our forms. For this case, let's work with a warranty registration form. It has first name, last name, email, and phone number. A good thing to note for these responder emails is the only requirement you need is an email field so that there's a provided email address to send the responder email to. The responder email can only be sent to emails provided in the form submission. So if there isn't an email provided via an email field, then we won't have an email address to send the submission to. Okay, so with our form fields chosen, let's click on the After Submissions tab. Now we see all the post-submission options we can choose from. For this video, we want to click on Email Processing and then Respond Email. The Respond Email settings will pop up where we can fill out our information for the responder email. We have the subject, which we can type in as Warranty Plan. Then our Send To option, which once you click on the drop-down, you will see an email checkbox, which you can select. This is a list of the field names of the different email type fields in the form. This will make sure that we send the configured responder email to the address provided within the selected field. And this is what I was referring to before on needing an email field option in your form. Then we add in the from name, the send from, and the reply to name. And then we need to add in some text into the email body. For this example, we can write, "Thank you very much for signing up to our warranty plan. You will find a breakdown of the plan attached with what services are covered in your plan." Then we can click the Add Attachment. For this example, I'll just add this image, but you get the idea. And once we are done with that, then we can click on Save. Now we can click on the Publish tab and test this out. So now anytime a user fills out your form and adds in an email, they will receive the responder email you configured. So let me demonstrate this for you. Let's start with first name Flo, last name can be Test, email is fdelavega@indition.com, and then my number can be 555-555-5555. Then we click Submit. We give it a few minutes and then we see our responder email come in with what we wrote in the email body and the attachment. In this case, the attachment is attached underneath, and like you saw, it's the image. And that is how you create a responder email. This feature can be applied for a variety of different use cases. It really depends on you and how you want to use it. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.